What is going on, guys? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sell on Whatnot. So I've been doing a lot of Whatnot streaming, getting back into my hobby, which has been a hobby since I was like 6 or 7 actually. Pokemon cards, and Yu-Gi-Oh cards for that matter too. I'm going to be showing you how to sell on Whatnot for these trading cards. Now this goes for anything you're selling too. It's not just Pokemon cards, but this is more on Pokemon cards. But you can copy this little preview here for anything, like if you're selling shirts, maybe electronics, stuff like that, depending on that. So, as you can see here, guys, I got my iPad over here on my side to check market prices and stuff like that. I've got my whole little setup, got my Fatal Reaper little logo, got my light, got my cards. Here, I got my top loaders, and this is where this comes into play, or key. So, as you can see, I have these little numbers, the green little stickers. You can get these off Amazon, you get these at Walmart, Dollar Tree, stuff like that. Get them 1 to 100. So, this is very simplistic. This is my phone stand where I record everything as well. If you'll get these stickers that go from 1 to 100, place each one starting from 1 to 100 on the top loaders. This is going to be very simplistic. That way, when you get done on an auction, if someone buys a card, right, you can just throw that into the top loader, and you know that's your order number 1, order number 2, and so forth. And the next portion of the video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do this on your phone when you're scheduling a show. So after you've scheduled a show, I'm giving you all the details now. You go to Seller Hub, schedule a show, name it whatever you want to name it. Pokemon card show, is what I name it, something small. We're going to be your Pokemon card singles. Add a thumbnail. I do like to add like a Pokemon background, something like that, to kind of attract people to say, hey, Pokemon cards, of course, obviously eye candy is everything to people. So once that's selected, you're going to upload the photo of your choice. Once you've done that, make sure you put your category of Pokemon cards. Listing format will be singles. And once you've done all that, you're going to go ahead and schedule it. This is where, after you schedule it and you click schedule, this is where the other one comes into, this is a big here to know. You're going to go down and click down to shop, and you're going down to auctions. You're going to hit the plus symbol right here and create temporary listing. You can do quality listings, but they take longer. You're going to go to temporary listings. You're going to click Pokemon cards. I like to put moderately played as condition just in case some of them get in there. You're going to start your bid at 1. Make sure your seconds are in 10-second time limits. Big one right here, quantity. You're going to make sure you put 100 for that. Shipping profile, of course, is going to be 1 to 3 ounces or 0 to 1 ounce if you're just selling these singles. It will bundle it for you on Whatnot and take care of all the rest of that stuff for you. You're going to name that, of course, Pokemon card singles, and it just numbers it for you, especially with the quantity is 100. That way, each time you sell a card, 1, 2, 3, you've already got your cards sold. Do put verified buyers on. I like to put that on too, just in case. The way the payments can go through for you guys. But that, in a nutshell, is how you sell Pokemon cards on Whatnot. There's a more detailed, I can do a more detailed video on that after you've done all that and sold, about how to ship them. Not too hard on that one. You kind of just generate the labels on there. You can do it from your phone or computer onto a label printer and or a printer. And once you've done that, you just put your printer label on that, generate the label, and then throw it on a bubble mailer. I like to put mine in bubble mailer when I send cards off. I do standard envelope, but I do like to do bubble mailer when I'm doing bigger orders. Of course, Whatnot will put that together for you if they do more orders from your page. That being said, guys, that is how you sell Pokemon cards on Whatnot, or sell cards in general on Whatnot. And you can use this, of course, on different things other than trading cards. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, leave me some comments down below, and I can do some more videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.